Within dark, narrow, airless tunnels lives a small creature. Its back is wrinkled, it has almost no fur, and its eyes are nearly useless. At first glance, you might think it's a sick or mutated rat, but you'd be wrong. This is one of nature's strangest and most mysterious creatures, the naked mole rat, or by its scientific name, Heterocephalus glaber. They live a few meters underground in the dry regions of Insensitivity, Africa, especially in Ethiopia, Somalia, and Kenya. But when you learn what they do down there, you'll be stunned. Naked mole rats are not ordinary rodents. They possess a rare social structure among mammals, eusociality, meaning a true colony system. In a colony, there is only one queen. The other females don't reproduce. Most males are workers, and some serve as soldiers. Just like in an ant colony, the queen is very powerful. She mates when she wants, and suppresses the reproductive ability of other females when she doesn't. Sometimes she even expels or kills young females who could challenge her. The existence of such a social system in such a small mammal has amazed scientists for years. These animals can live up to 30 years. For a mammal of their size, this is an incredible lifespan. For example, a similar-sized mouse lives only 2-3 years. So how do naked mole rats live so long? Scientists discovered that their telomeres don't shorten as they age. Telomeres are the structures that determine cellular aging. In other animals, as telomeres shorten, aging accelerates. But this doesn't happen in mole rats. Moreover, they don't develop typical age-related diseases. No diabetes, cancer, or neurodegenerative conditions. We're talking about mammals that have somehow managed to not age. It's long been known that naked mole rats are resistant to cancer. In fact, in laboratory tests conducted on tens of thousands of naked mole rats, almost no tumors were observed. But why? Their bodies contain high levels of a special molecule called hyaluronan. This substance helps cells stick tightly together and prevents abnormal cell division, thus stopping cancer before it begins. Additionally, their immune systems are highly selective. Their cleanup cells can detect and destroy cancer cells very early. Because of this, many scientists believe naked mole rats may hold the key to defeating cancer. It's hard to believe, but naked mole rats are almost completely insensitive to pain. Their subdermal receptors are very different from those in typical mammals. In particular, they show virtually no response to acid burning or even pepper spray. This allows them to live comfortably in the harsh underground conditions. Just imagine living in cramped tunnels with low oxygen and high carbon dioxide. Being insensitive to pain is a huge advantage. We still don't fully understand why they don't feel pain, but their nervous system is definitely unique. In the tunnels where naked mole rats live, oxygen levels can fall below 5%. That's an environment where most mammals wouldn't survive. But mole rats thrive there. Their bodies are specially adapted to low oxygen conditions. Their heart rate slows and their metabolism drops. It's even been discovered that they can produce energy using fructose instead of oxygen, a nearly unmatched ability among mammals. They seem biologically programmed for survival. Even though their eyes don't function, naked mole rats never get lost in their tunnels. How do they manage this? Their sense of smell is incredibly sensitive. They recognize every tunnel and individual by scent alone. They also use their whiskers to orient themselves. And while moving, they constantly touch the tunnel walls. Imagine an entire colony living in complete darkness, yet perfectly coordinated. Naked mole rats are like gold in medical research labs. Cancer-free biology, ageless cells, pain-insensitive nervous systems, metabolism that works even without oxygen. All of these traits open doors to potential human treatments. Today, many universities and research institutions consider the naked mole rat a key to solving future medical mysteries. Why haven't we seen them before? Because they live underground. They don't come out at night. They're extremely hard to observe. Even in documentaries, they're rarely featured because observing them takes a long time. But the truth is, some of nature's biggest secrets may lie in the bodies of these invisible creatures. Are naked mole rats cute or pretty? Maybe not to most of us. But their role in nature, their survival skills, and their scientific value are extraordinary. These tiny creatures remind us evolution sometimes chooses ugliness, but reaches perfection. A mammal that doesn't age, doesn't feel pain, and survives without oxygen. Who knows? Maybe the answers to humanity's greatest questions lie in these creatures. Just a few meters below the surface,